Welcome back to the quiz show by Kizak. Today we are going to test your knowledge of American Sign Language, alphabet signs. Let's get ready to guess the correct letter signs. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel. What letter does this sign represent? C, F or Q? C. It's just look like the shape of a letter C. Can you guess the letter? R, T or K? Your thumb is in between your index and your middle finger. Third sign, what letter does it represent? D. Your index finger is pointing up and all other fingers are making a circle. What is next? U, N or M? And the answer is M. What letter does this sign represent? W, Y, X. Your thumb and your pinky finger are sticking out, making Y. Make sure to subscribe the channel. J. On the next one, A, E or B? It's B. All four fingers together and the thumb is in front. Options are G, O or V. Your index finger and your thumb are pointed straight out. Guess the letter G, Z or F. Make the shape of Z with your index finger in the air. Options are K, Q or C. It's K. What letter does this sign represent? It's not a number 3 sign, it's a W. Number 12. Can you guess the letter? It's A. Make sure that your thumb is to the side, not in the front. What letter does this sign represent? S or a V? It's S. Make sure your thumb is in front, not on the side. What letter does this sign stand for? Q, N or Y? And the answer is N. Guess the letter C, A or I. Very simple. Well done. Yes, it is I. Can you guess the letter by this sign? Make sure to subscribe the channel. It's U. Your index finger and your middle finger are squeezed together pointing up. Let's see if you guess this one. And the answer is X. What letter does this sign represent? P, K or H? Your index and middle finger are pointed straight out. It's H. Guess the alphabet letter represented by this sign. It's O. Next one. Guess the letter. Your index finger and your thumb are making a circle. Letter F. What letter does this sign represent? E, G or R? And the answer is R. Guess the letter V, N or Z? It looks like the letter V. What letter does this sign represent? H, X or P? It's P. Let's see if you guess this sign. E, Y or C? Make sure all fingers are relaxed on your thumb. On the next one, options are A, Q, K. It's Q. Let's guess this one. L, F or J? Absolutely right. It's the shape of L. Thanks for watching. Click on your next challenge. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.